Chicken wing. Good morning, guys. We're headed to the beach today. We're just leaving home right now. We have Jamon as the pilot for today, and we have Alyssa in the back. Hi.
When I'm excited and comfortable, but it's not to do that kind of driving. So we got to say, but you want to real stink with yourself? Yeah, but ganja.
Okay, so this is Maraval, and yeah, I haven't been in a really long time, maybe about 4 years, but you see the potholes are still the same. I remember there's one there, and there's probably a few more before we get to where we're going, no doubt.
A few more? Plenty more, boy.
Oh, there's a naughty grape right there as well. I didn't even know naughty grape even existed. I thought it was just Mokarapa Road. You know that?
Giggity.
Why this guy behind you like that, boy? But yeah. But I know we have Alyssa on the camera. She's a camera woman for now. And yeah, we're just chugging along till Maracas. So how long do you think it'll take us to get to Maracas from here?
At this speed, I think about 45 minutes. Man.
45 minutes?
Yeah, because we had to make some stops. So yeah.
Oh, okay. In that case, I'll let you off on that one. Alright, okay.
Yeah, we had some
well,
stops.
We'll see you guys at the next stop. Until next time. Okay guys, we are here now, and this is no joking, Maracas. And we are here guys, Maracas. So See you all in a minute on the beach.
Wow, now she says.
Was it here good? But my skin starting to bite me already, but.
No, it used to have sandfly. They don't have it anymore. This beach used to be full of sandflies.
Because look inside to this hole now, boy.
We ought to dig down this side.
Oh my god. I can't waste it. It's so transparent.
You think you're not on session down here? She taking off she pants? Oh gosh. Guys, this is what we call a kobo, right? And if you ever tell somebody they look like a kobo, they kill you. So hideous that bird is.
Hi, I'm Keegan. Welcome to Tyrico Bay. Now, if you look over there, you have the beautiful ocean. Be careful now. The current could pull you out. And if you look closely over there, you can see how outside man is moving, making out on the beach every so often. Yes, he's a cheater. No, this is Trinidad.
Got you on film, man. Wow. Wow. I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm okay. Ah. I don't feel so good. I don't feel so good.
What's up, guys? Who y'all doing? It's me, Karen, again. And I'm here with Alyssa and Jamon. Okay, yeah, and basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna get some bacon chow from Richards or Natalie or whoever, basically. For all of y'all who don't know what it is, it's basically some flour fried and fried shark. with all kinds of herbs and seasoning. Let me put it like this. Colonel Sanders ain't got shit on these guys. Alright?
You sit down and feel so. I take the Colonel ain't there, boy. I take the Colonel. Yeah.
He's biased. He got shit in KFC. I got all the rights crossing on the zebra crossing. Okay, go.
Hi. I'm ordering some food.
What kind of food are you ordering?
I don't know.
Okay, basically she wants a kingfish, fried kingfish and bake. That's what she wants. She's a little bit camera shy.
This is yours, Karen.
This looks delicious.
Yes, indeed.
Okay guys, just got the bacon chuck there. Well, this is not bacon chuck, I'm lying, it's shrimp or something. So, yeah. I'm a rock star. Think or something.
Just remember, every that roadblock, that bear is yours.
Okay people, just so y'all know, this bear is mine, not his. Bing! Approve it? Alright guys, little update here. I just had this Patsy's shrimp and Accra. This was bomb. Maybe I'm not even allowed to say bomb. It real lashing. It what? Licorice? It licorice? And I don't know, it's not, I was eat licorice with candy and thing. No, I tell you what, this thing really tastes some boss. That's tasting perfect. Incredible. Shucks. Now you want to do that?
Late for that, boy.
You're real hungry. You're real wanted. Okay, we're driving Penguin and
Penguin are accustomed to that.
you told me you don't drive Penguin like this.
It's on that street, I ain't calling hard. Hey, babe? Boobs, how does normally drive?
Karen, trust me, this is very nice.
Guys, trust me, this is not a teardrop you all see in here. This is what, alright? On top of eating some hot food, this guy driving me like if I'm a hot potato, you know? I'm throwing me around, man. Poor Penguin in the back. Ooh, bloody. No, honestly, that Patsy's bomb. For y'all down here, make sure you all get that. Tell you what, it's the same price as the Avenue and you get so much more for your money. It's worth the drive, right? If you know what I mean, you're in the Avenue line, man, and you want to get some shrimp stuff, you drive up here, man. Might as well.
So it tastes so good?
Boy, it's bomb, boy. Normally I don't leave reviews like
this. It was better than gyro and should have been.
But, boy, that gyro was like Trump food compared to what I just ate. Look how small the gyro is, and that gyro is 40. Tell you what, on your, man, cut the tape. Director, cut the tape. Reach up.